Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by Money Stocks. Today is February 28, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 4.5 points to 27.52 per contract. All in all, it's a slight little uptick from yesterday's very strong reversal day. Yesterday, we had a pretty good sell-off. Markets were rejected at some good retracement levels and also good resistance. And today, we're trying to tread water here. So we'll see how this market plays out. We'll see what it gives us. But as always, we have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention. The first one we're going to take a look at today is going to be LOW. This is Lowe's. And what you're going to see here, Lowe's right now trading at 88.50. The stock closed at 95.79. I'm going to have gap levels ready for you this morning. We'll have them posted up in the intraday stock chat room. So again, Lowe's is in play today. Stock getting hit after reporting earnings. That is not a pretty picture for LOW. Let's take a look at Home Depot. This usually will trade down in sympathy, and Home Depot is actually holding up pretty well, just down about 60 cents or so at the moment, so no big deal there. We'll be looking at both of these stocks today in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we want to take a look at CELG, CELG. It looks like they had a multiple sclerosis drug that got a letter from the FDA. I guess they didn't have enough data or whatever it may be. You can check out the news for yourself. Stock closed at $95.78. It is trading at $89.78. So there's really not a whole lot to do here since we're nearing the lows of earlier in the month. But nonetheless, it's in somewhat of a range. We'll be looking at this one, though, for a pattern once the opening bell rings today. So CELG will be in play at some point. Let's take a look at PZZA, which is Papa John's Pizza. I think I typed in too many Z's. And you're going to see this one is trading down. Stock closed at $56.36, now trading at $53.40. It looks like Pizza Hut is going to become the new sponsor for the NFL. So we'll see if this does affect the stock. There's a fair amount of support here. I just don't have an exact level. I'll be working on that, and we'll see what we come up with when the opening bell rings. But this could be in play today. Let's shift gears here a little bit and go to Hertz Rent-A-Car. HTZ is the ticker symbol there. Stock closed at $19.26. It is trading at $18.52. It did briefly trade lower after hours yesterday. Now back at around that $18.52 level. We'll sit tight with this one right now, but I do see some levels that could be in play. I'll work on those, and we'll see if this is another name that we may be able to trade today. Let's take a look at Square, ticker symbol SQ. Stock is trading at $45.30, closed at $45.91. So no real movement there, but I believe they did report earnings as well. Let's go over to Workday. WDAY is the ticker symbol there. Stock closed at $128.21, now trading at $126.15. If the stock really sold off more sharply, maybe down to $120, there could be a play. Right now, I'm just not seeing enough there for Workday to do at the moment. We'll look at this one, though, once the opening bell rings today. This will be in play. Yesterday, we saw a big loss in Nutrisystem. Today, we're getting a big pop in Weight Watchers. So Weight Watchers closed at $69.83, now trading at $75.80. Tried to get to that 78 level in the pre-market, came back down. If you take a look at a monthly chart, and I'm going to just show you this real quick, you have a lot of resistance around this $80 area and a little bit higher than that as well. So again, Weight Watchers has been on a tear, but it's overbought and it's extended on the larger time frames. Therefore, if you own it, great job. Just trail your stop loss, and that's the best way to play it. So again, this is getting a little bit long in the tooth, and you do have a lot of resistance coming into play shortly. Let's take a look at VRX. I'm not sure of the news here, so you have to check it out yourself. Stock was trading at $18.50 at the close yesterday. Now trading at $17.66. Was lower, has come back a little bit, so we'll keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at SSYS, which is Stratasys. Stratasys right now trading at 21 bucks, closed at 21.82. All in all, what can you say? Just little downticks here. We're not seeing anything major. Let's take a look at BGS, which is B&G Foods. Stock is trading at $28.75, closed at $31.20. So this is lower as well. We'll look at this one when the opening bell rings. Again, a lot of levels are tough to find here, but what can you say? There's lots of stocks in play, and really that's all that matters. Let's take a look at one more here. ACAD, which is Acadia Pharmaceuticals. Stock is trading at 57. A level I like for this one right now could be a little bit of support around 28, but I'm not in love with that level. If this thing sells off to 23.50, I think you buy that all day. So keep that on the radar today, 23.50. I have no idea if it is going to get down there, but if it does, that should be a very, very good level. All right, let's go over now to the gold market. Gold is up about 10 cents on the session. Take a look at the GLD this morning, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold. It's trading at 125, closed at 125.13 yesterday. Crude oil today is up 2 pennies, trading at 63.03. If you take a look at the USO, another good ETF to track oil movement, you'll see this is trading at 12.67 right now. Spot gold at 63.02. All right, there you have it. Again, if you haven't done so yet, come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. I think we had 4 or 5 winners yesterday. It was just absolutely fantastic. As long as we get some volatility, we get lots of trade action. That's the way 2018 is going to be. You're going to get lots and lots of volatility, so that means we get lots and lots of day trades. If you haven't done so, we're just having a killer 2018. Come on over, trade alongside of us. You'll see what it's all about. With that being said, everybody have a great trading day, and we'll see you all on the charts. Take care, everyone.